Hey guys, Kevin again. So just letting you guys know that yes, it is finally here, the DJI Osmo Action Camera. It came in here a couple of days ago, but I didn't do a video on it simply because there was one item that I basically ordered online, and it finally got here. Actually, I ordered a couple of items online off of it, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but I got a tempered glass screen protector right there. Got a tempered glass screen protector right here, and it fits pretty well. And I'll most likely post a link on the bottom where to buy them. And I also have a big screen protector all the way in the back. I just want to basically take care of it, make sure trying to keep it and protect it as much as I can, right? So this is basically, now keep in mind, this is, so I actually bought this used online. So it wasn't brand new, but I'm pretty sure everything that I need is going to be on here. So this hasn't been used. I'm pretty sure this is going to be to put your memory card in. But anyways, now before I did this video, I did look online. There was a particular case that I saw online that really caught my attention. But just a really quick walkthrough, real quick. So you have your quick button right there, and then you have your button there for the connection to be able to charge your micro SD card. But as you can see, it's very inconvenient. There's no way that you can press the button here and open this and charge it overnight. So you have to take the whole thing out of here to be able to basically charge it. And then you have your buttons up top, record, and your power button, your display button. So yeah, so I mean it's pretty nice. So the item that I was actually waiting for, you guys ready for it? Bam. So this is a housing by Forever Cam designed for the DJI Osmo Action Cam. Now, I am not gonna lie, it does feel sturdy, feels tough. The only thing I'm afraid of, it might make it a little bit heavy. But again, if you want the best protection, it's kind of like an OtterBox on your phone. It is going to be bulky, but of course it'll give you the best protection. Or one of the best protections out there, because there's many cases. But anyways, I don't want to get sidetracked. So this is basically the piece that goes right here in the very back. It just basically slides out, right? But anyways, it's actually pretty easy to put on there. But I'll tell you guys why I actually got this case, because I've seen other ones online as well, very similar to this one. But this is why I got this case. This particular case has a 52 millimeter shoe on here. So as you guys can see, there's a 52 millimeter UV filter, right? So if I were to put the camera in there, just real quick. First, let me take off this one out of here. All right, I got it out. So basically, just go ahead and slide it in here. All right, fits perfectly. You also got a track up here if you want to put a mic on here, a boom mic, or if you want to put an LED light. So that's pretty neat. And then for this part right here, basically it just sits on top. And then all you do is have to slide it down. Give me a second, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Alright, so I finally got it in there. So it goes like this and it just kind of locks in there. So it looks pretty neat. It looks pretty nice. This bottom piece, I actually already put it on there. But you can take that off. Hey, you try. Hey, get out of here. Anyways, so yeah, so just a little piece comes off if you want. It has a little adapter there to put it like on a stick, a selfie stick, or if you want to mount it somewhere. So, but the best thing, or the reason why I got that case, is because you can actually take this off. Bam. See, there's a UV filter. Just put it to the side, and then you got this right here. So you have a macro, and then you also have a digital lens 0.45 Let me take this off real quick. It's off. Camera magic. Anyway, so you have your super wide angle lens on there. Japan Optics. Actually got this off of line as well. Used, not brand new. Only pay about $10 off for this. So let me see how that looks. Dun 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 dun. Rocky, why are you crying? But anyway, so you have that. And put it on this side. Oh, okay. It actually works for. Okay, works really well for my phone. You guys see that? Look how much I'm getting off of this. Now it does look a little bit distorted. Rocky, come here. Looks a little bit distorted, but let me see if I take this off. Huh. That is actually pretty neat. But anyways, so you just go ahead and put it on there. Start twisting. Just get it in there pretty good. And voila. Look at that. This looks sexy. Look at this. Look at this. What are those? No, what are these? So yeah, so it does add some weight over to the camera. A lot of weight. Just because you got that lens up there. And then you also have the aluminum case on there as well. Now, something that I really found really neat and pretty cool about this case that I did like, that the other one, the one that it came with didn't. The side right here, as you guys can see, so you have that quick button right there, but right here you can easily press this button, slide it, and open it. And then you can charge it or take out the memory card, whatever you need to do, you'll be able to do it on there. However, on the case that comes with the Osmo, there you don't have that option. So you actually, to be able to charge, you have to take the whole case off, take out the action cam, and then basically plug it in and let it charge, etc. I know DJI also has the has a battery pack. I think it comes with 2 more, but that hasn't released yet. That comes out in June 30th, I believe so. So stay tuned and see the review for that and see how it goes. But again, yeah. So the main reason why I got it, because it looks really nice. It's heavy. You can add a 52mm lens on there. You have the macro on there as well. I'll probably do a video later on to see how it works with the macro on there and see how close I can actually get on there. But in terms of the wide angle, I'm gonna go out with my wife in a little bit, and then I'm gonna have her hold the camera as I drive. She can't really drive right now. It's really uncomfortable for her, especially because the baby's coming soon. So I'm just gonna be driving, and then I'm gonna have her just hold the camera basically, and then as we're driving, I'll probably have her take off the camera lens, so you probably get a little bit of blockage on the lens as she's taking it off. But and then we'll do before and after as we're driving. We'll go ahead and switch, basically take it off, put it back on there. But like I said, it's really nice. It feels expensive. It feels like $1,000 camera, I would say, but it's definitely not $1,000. But yeah. So now I did try putting my headpiece on there for it. Just letting you guys know, it is freaking heavy. So my headpiece, for some reason, if I tested this out when I went out to walk my dog, basically, and I tested this out, but this sucker's heavy. I do like this just because it's not heavy, but again, there are just cons and pros. Pros: protective, sturdy. You can add 52mm. The only downside, the cons on this, I would say, is just going to be the weight. But other than that, I do like the one that it comes with. I just wish it had that ability to where you can go ahead and charge it without actually having to take the Osmo camera out of the case to basically be able to charge it. So again, it's just very inconvenient having to take it off, put it on, take it off, put it on again. They should have just done like a little flap, like a little door, kind of like what they did on this one right here. and then that way you'll be able to, let me just get out the way, that way you'll be able to just open this up when you need to charge it without having to taking it off. Can you imagine if they didn't put that little thing on here? That means you have to take this off, take the camera out, charge it. It's just like I said, it's very inconvenient. So just gonna close this out. All right, guys, so stay tuned for the rest of the video so you guys can see the difference in terms of the wide angle, regular, and just if you have any opinions, if you have any questions, just let me know. All right, well, you guys, I'll keep you guys posted in just a minute as soon as I start to head out. All right, guys, so we are testing the wide angle. Of course, I'm about to start driving. You have my beautiful wife right here. There's a baby growing in here. I'll be here in 2 weeks, so you guys will keep you guys updated on that. But anyway, so I'm gonna have you guys, I'm gonna have a record real quick. Hold on to this. Alrighty. All right, so right now the camera has the wide lens adapter. And like I was telling you guys before, there's a 52 millimeter shoe that's on the case, basically. So it makes it easier to adapt any type of 52 millimeter camera. Oh, neighbor. It makes it easy to attach any like micro lens or telescopic lens, or like I said, the lens that it currently has right now, it's the wide angle lens. So
the screen went off.
No, this is you sure?
Yeah, it's black.
Oh my gosh, tell me. No, it's still there. Oh, it's just because yeah, it's still recording.
Oh, that's dumb. What if you're vlogging though and it shuts off on you and you can't see yourself?
That is a good question. We should send DJI a message and ask them to stop doing that.
I think so.
What?
Heavy.
It is heavy because of the case. But anyway, so I'm gonna have my wife go ahead and unscrew the lens, and then that way you guys can see the difference. Go ahead. That's great. Alright. So right now the camera is without the wide angle. So as you can see around the edges, you won't see that that little black corner on each side. So you'll be able to get the whole field of view. But like I said, so it just really depends on what you're trying to record. If you're trying to get more into the shot, then basically you can go ahead and get that that adapter or that lens actually online, and then you'll be able to get a bigger wide view. But my wife's gonna go ahead and put it back on again real quick. Alright, so there we go. So we got it back on. How do you make the screen come back on? You just gotta press the display button on top. You see this button?
Yeah.
Okay, there's turn it back on. Alright, so basically now we put back on the wide angle lens, so you can pretty much see a lot of the inside of the car as well. So yeah, that's basically pretty much it. Like I said, I would definitely recommend this. I would probably give it a 10 out of 10 just because, one, the case is very sturdy. It's aluminum case. The ones that usually comes with the DJI Osmo Action, it's like a plastic, and pretty much again it's okay, but it does have its downfalls. Like for example, if you try and charge it, you have to take it out of the case simply because the little notch on the side, it's being blocked by the case itself. You don't have this issue with this particular case. Now, I don't know if you heard my wife have said it before, but it is heavy. So if you are looking for something light, they do have another option online, but it doesn't have the 52 millimeter lens adapter as far as I can see. But it will most likely do the job in terms of if you want to charge it without having to take it out of the case. And again, I just find that very annoying. I wish it would have made it easier. That way you could just charge it without having to take apart the camera from its case. But I'm glad that this one that I just got that has that feature, just because it's more convenient to be able to charge it. Now I did order the DJI battery pack. However, it is backdoored, so I think it doesn't come out to the 30th, if I'm not mistaken. So it's gonna be a couple more weeks. It's so funny. So the 30th, that's when my wife is it's due. The baby's due the 30th. So I'll probably get some good shots with the cam. Still trying to debate whether I use the wide angle so I can get everybody in the picture, or I'll probably just use the standard one again, because I'll probably be wearing this on my head. And my wife over here laughing, but over here so some POV. if you guys know what I am referring to. This guy over here trying to back out, but he can't. But anyways, but get some good POV right there, and then holding the baby. So that's gonna be some pretty good shots again in 4K. Look at these people right there. Damn. Okay. Oh, she moved pretty fast.
Shoddy run.
Oh, holy cow. Okay. Man, that was pretty fast. I was not expecting that. I bet she can do a split too. Anyways.
Oh god.
Anyways, so yeah, that's about it. So thank you guys for watching my video. We're actually going to Panda Express right now. Oh, I'm so starving. I'm starving. My wife was like, "Hey, let's go to Panda Express."
No, it's your idea.
Oh, okay, it's my idea. All right, bet. But anyway, so we're here at Panda Express. But anyways, guys, I'll keep you guys posted. Please go ahead and follow and subscribe, and I'll make sure you follow, because I'll be posting more videos like this in the near future, or even better. This guy parked way too much to the left. All right, I'll see you guys. And then there's the beautiful wife right there. Say bye, baby.